I want to devote this to my favorite therapist, Christine. Before I met you, my life was kind of okay, but I felt shitty. So I was trying to find a solution, and I stumbled on you. It was one of the greatest things that ever happened to me. Sometimes, most of the time, I'm lazy, so I need things to happen effortlessly. And after these few sessions we had, I'm a totally different person. I feel different, but the most important thing is that I feel I'm blessed. I'm blessed because I met you, and I'm blessed because of a lot of all the things that I have. And I know that I have them because of you. So I thank you, my angel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I recommend you to everyone.
Thank you.
You actually saved the rest of my life.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Thank you.